Here with the fire, we make it that say we leave it that feel like the 4th of July. Let's see more. Y'all nigga taking shit like Devo. Move wrong, shoot his ass like a free throw. Hop on that bitch and this bitch a freak hoe. These niggas talking too much, better cheat though. All that talk on the ground ain't for me though. Hop on the beat with my motherfucking Migo. We going in and we step out the city. These fuck niggas talking, they really be cheat though. I got some niggas that throwing no GD, I'm throwing no 5 and be for respect. These niggas talking too much, so we stump on the neck, cause the young nigga chasing the chick. I cannot play with these niggas, they really be bitching. I'm trying to see what they do next. They trying to watch on to see what I'm watching that move. They trying to peep what I do next. I'm going in, switching the flow. These niggas talking, hop on that hoe, give her the D, pick that bitch up, draw the bitch out, cap to the hoe. I'm going in, buy her a bag, can't buy a bag, not for a hoe. These niggas talking too much, so we switch up the shirt. We trying to come give them a soap. I'm going in with my brother, we steppin', we lit as a bitch if we play doing wrong. Over that 30, we do it in traffic, a fun nigga play, then we send us at home. Don't know the living location, but we can pull up in the day and we get this shit over. These niggas say they won't be till younger, pull up and we give it bitch at the come shoulders. Lil' rollin' weed, yeah. Rollin' these trees, yeah. Set on high as a bitch before nigga play. Knock off his feet, yeah. Knock his ass off his feet, yeah. Hit his ass in the knee, yeah. Bust a strap at the chest, paralyzed little nigga, you know how it be, yeah. Chula funeral home poppin', we try to do that for real. Nigga talking like battle, will pop his ass like 2 pills. Get his ass out the block, so track his ass out of here. My nigga trying to go and multiply a bag out the rip. Then let's see more out the screen. He in the game, fuck a bench. Y'all niggas talking, ain't with it, man. Tell that boy for the spin. Might pop his ass like a perky and throw it back, nigga tank. And I been going on rockin', I'm trying to shut down the sink. I hit his ass with this toaster, hit his ass with this blower. Nigga cap on the ground, tell that boy to do over. When catch his ass lacking, no, you cannot restart. And if we pull up on that block, we trying to pierce at the heart. Go and get out the struggle. Let's see more came off the muscle. Might get a bag out the strength. Remember time that I spent. Man, I was down on my ass. Bitch, I was down on my dick. That little bitch, she ain't hit my phone. Now she be all on my shit. She trying to come fuck on the nigga. Bitch, forgot that I'm lit. I'm going in with all my niggas and we turned in a beat. I'm going in with all my niggas, yeah, we turned in a beat. I'm going in with all my niggas, yeah, we turned in a beat. This little C-Mo out the struggle, go get a bag off the muscle. That nigga play, I won't tussle. Hit his ass with this rubber. I'ma snatch off with rubber. The police get behind country. A youngin' play up in traffic, we gon' burn him, man. That's on monster. Young niggas shooting shit like Devo, take shit like Devo. Young niggas shooting shit like a free throw. Young nigga take shit like Devo.